Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin. It's a pleasure being here tonight with you guys. This episode we're going to be talking about Bitcoin consolidation continues now. If you're catching the stream live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, join us on Discord. Link they have gone out. They're also pinned at the top of the chat. One quick second. I'm gonna have to put a cap here on the stream right after XDZ, which was the last one that was requested on the Discord. Reason for that is there's my boss is in town tomorrow. There's a presentation I gotta finish, so it's, I need to finish some stuff. So that's why I'm gonna have to do a hard cutoff. Anyways, let me get here at the total market cap, and we'll start talking about the markets, right? Let's see who's in the house first. Andrew, preparing for war. What's up? Jorge Ranza. Yo, bits or super chat? It's a good question. I think bits take the most, and super chat takes 30%. If you want to donate through PayPal, they take 3%, and if you donate through crypto, which you can, it goes to 1 point. It's a little bit better off. There's something off here on the camera. Let me turn there we go. There it is. Yeah, so I would say usually I would say crypto I get 100% off. PayPal takes 3% plus 30 cents. And YouTube takes 30%, and then Twitch, I think, they take 50% of subs. I'm not sure how much they take of the bits. Entirely up to you, though. Time for indicator today. Hi, how's it going, Market Siphon? Thank you for being here. Green, go. What's up, man? Green, go. Are we green? Maybe. Yep, hit the like. Yeah. Hello, what's up? What colors are these? Let's keep rolling, man. From Horses, I can't stick around. You gotta drive to Vegas. Awesome, dude. Congrats on that drive to Vegas. El Producto. Hey. Market seems to be wanting to go on the green, right? At least that's the feeling that we're getting. PayPal link, description. They're in the description. All the links are in the description. Huh? If you go down there to the description zone, I think they should be there. Or at least I think they're there. Yeah. They are there, right? It says support the stream like fiat, like that'll go through PayPal basically, right? This is the stream elements, and then if you do cryptocurrency, you can go through one up coin, and I get them, right? If I got a Chivo wallet, I don't have a Chivo wallet. I'm not from El Salvador. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. It's weird. Anyways, let's get rolling, guys. Let's get rolling because I do gotta move through stuff. There's a lot of stuff happening in crypto. Not feeling the safest right now. Again, upslope consolidation, right? Yesterday, we did manage to pull money into the cryptosphere below the 20 moving average closing. Now, what we want to see, hidden bullish divergence, is helping us kind of hold on and pump up a little bit. But remember, upslope consolidation breaks down. So let's be careful with that, right? Last thing we have is this hidden divergence, which we are now also can say we have on this move, right? So we have hidden against the MACD, hidden against the RSI. Possibility for a bounce. The market is still feeling bullish. We could still be going higher, but I'm not sure, man. We got to close above that 20. We got to close above this yellow zone that we're trying to break out of right now. Another day in this zone could potentially be disastrous, as we could be heading for 2 trillion. I'm not super confident in the market right now. Anyways, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin kind of stagnated yesterday, 0.13 to the downside. It's not a lot. Right now going down 0.74. That means Bitcoin is not gaining as fast as alts. Alts are trying to recover faster than Bitcoin, and that is good. Bitcoin can dump as much as it wants so long as alts recover, right? Like, we need to start decoupling from Bitcoin. That's the best way to do it. We can say Bitcoin, we'll go down with you for a little bit, but as soon as you stagnate, we're going to recover faster. You can keep having your losses and we'll keep on gaining. Anyways, Bitcoin price 46,857. Again, struggling a bit. We were above 46,801 yesterday. I was really happy about that, but look at this. Came all the way down here to the bottom. 45,467. Pumping back up. Still close to the green right now. Trying to get above that 46,801. Hopefully we can do it. Again, not a lot happening here. Starting to create some of that, low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. So not even the hidden divergence. Neutral, 48.43. I do want to show you this, guys. I haven't touched this in a while, so I sent a picture of this to Firebird. Y'all remember this drawing I have here of Bitcoin? Right, if you read that, there we go. This drawing Bitcoin I have here, right? I'm not sure if you remember, I drew this line, and this line starts way over here, and I can't remember precisely the day that I drew it, but I'm gonna try to make it in a color that we can see and we know it's not gonna be any other of the lines, right? So maybe this is kind of like weird yellow, and we'll make it super thick, right? So this is a movement I drew when I was talking about the idea that Bitcoin, every time we get a death cross, we do get a pump and then we get a drop, right? And we mark them, look, death cross, right? Pump, drop, right? Death cross, look, death cross, pump, drop, right? So every time we get a death cross, we do get a pump and then a drop. And I was playing with this idea that, you know, we're gonna get a pump and then a drop. I haven't touched this line, but it seems that we're following it quite closely. We did break below it a little bit, broke back above it, and again, you know, right now touching it as support. I thought it was pretty funny that this was just a drawing that I threw really quick without really having, holy shit, man. What? Yo, man, that is...
Thanks for everything /
Oh, bro, thank you very much for that. Jesus.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very
That is amazing. You get a fatality for that, man. Jesus. That is, wow. Dude, that's awesome. Thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated. Thank you, man. Didn't find the PayPal. It doesn't say PayPal. It says Stream Elements. Basically, if you go here into this link at the description, oh shit, that went there. If you go here into this link in the description, this fiat, right? You click on this link, it'll take you to the Stream Elements site, and then the payment goes through. That is awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. That's awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that. That is really cool. Let's keep rolling here. Anyways, I was playing with the idea that it could potentially go back down, right? So we'll see how far down we go. Right now, Bitcoin's trying to bounce at a 20 moving average. I think. Which line is this? Is it 20 or 200? I think it's a 200. Damn it. Being colorblind sucks for charts. I'm gonna have to change this color on the blue scale because they all look very similar, so I can't tell. I think this might be the 200. So I'm gonna call it 200 for now. We're above it. That's fine. Shame is us, correct. Thank you, man. Now, where is that little bugger? Here it is. And here he is. Golden Cross still in play. Yeah. Golden Cross still in play. I mean, Golden Cross we got here. Still in play. But look, even back here on this idea, right? Look, we got to back up. Guess what happened? Golden Cross. Guess what happened after that Golden Cross? We just dropped again. Didn't get another death cross, but we just dropped. Anyways, we're just playing around with that idea, and I thought it was funny that pumping it in. Looks as though we're dropping, right? So let's keep rolling. Let's go over to the Bitcoin chart we usually follow. By the way, I'm not getting there we go. I was not getting the chat from Twitch to come up. There we go. Did I receive any ADA just now? I'm not sure. The coin tree doesn't tell me. That's the thing. Coin tree doesn't show here. I have to actually go and look. So if you give me one quick second, I'll check it out. I can actually check it out on my email, which now I got to figure out where I placed it. Oh snap! That's gonna be a fun search. I'm gonna guess it's this one. Yep. All right, so I'll have to check and I'll let you know. Gotta get any ADA right now. I haven't gotten any ADA right now. Let me go to Cointree. Waiting for it to work. I'm not sure if it went to the coin or went up coin, man. Anyways, I am waiting for it to load. It's not loading. So I'll have to check. If you did, I will get an email, I guess. Ping in a second. Jeez, where is that thing in the Cointree, man? Will it tell me? I'm reloading everything. Not right now. I haven't gotten anything, but thanks, man. I appreciate it. If you did send some ADA, I'll check it and I'll let you know. Let me keep rolling here, man. Getting above that area is very, very important. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, that's 46,801, right? Expansion of the boundary bands. We are going to go meet that 20. We don't know what we're going to do once we hit it. We could reject. We could try to get above it. But look at this. Struggling with resistance, right? You need to get above 46,801. Still consolidating. Starting to make positive momentum, but less of it. High, low, positive, less positive, high to low. Nothing happening here, bullish or bearish. Everything's going to be on the 1 hour. You can try for a while. Send me some. You can even get TX. Works out. I can look for a ADA address and I can just give it to you directly, I guess. 15-minute looking bearish. Oh man, I rarely go to the 15-minute. Bearish divergence moving down. Getting a pump, right? Let's see what we're doing here. I think Bitcoin created bearish divergence, by the way. Cool. Yeah. High to low. right? But you remember when we talked about the crosses here and how good they are supposed to be for the market? At least we're trying to go up. All right, so we have strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction downside, went down, hit that 20. Trying to reclaim it. I'm not seeing anything here that is hidden bullish or anything like that. Just neutral at 54.88. I'm not really liking the way the market feels. There. Hey, Crispy, what's up, man?
What's up?
I'm not liking the way the market feels. In general, we do know that drops tend to come in legs of threes. We just gotten the first, so we're still waiting for 2 more legs. Are we gonna drop more, man? Or are we gonna start looking for a recovery? One of those, like, you know, quick bounces back up after a couple days. Still a bit undecided, right? We are fighting tooth and nail for this area, though. Let's set the 15-minute chart. I'll just go there real quick. Looking bearish? I'm not sure. Yeah, we can say we're looking bearish, somewhat hidden bearish. All right. Potential action downside. Now, if you remember, we threw some fibs here on the 15-minute chart from here to here, and then look at that. We are hitting that 50%, and we're just failing to get above that 50% retrace, right? We want to get above that zone and keep on going higher. So again, 46,000. We have been floating around this area for a couple hours. All right, a couple hours. We gotta break this zone. Try to move higher. Let me see if this thing is showing anything. No, nothing yet, man. I still haven't done the trading view trick, man. I'm waiting. I'm saving it for when it's really necessary. Oh. For some reason, CoinTree's website is not opening up, and that is weird. I was positive I had that somewhere around here. Alright, let's see. It's not loading. One second, guys. T-Connect. Wife hooking up with the T. Isn't that awesome? No, it's just reason really general. This website is working super slow for some reason. We're gonna keep moving, right? 5 bid. I can let you know either later today if it arrived, or we can celebrate it on tomorrow's stream, or you know, we'll figure something out. I'm not getting anything here, so don't say. All right, don't say. Not sure why. Anyways, let's go to Ethereum, right? Ethereum's trying to recover a little bit better, 1.75%, but again, still below 3,500. It's just been struggling to get above that zone. Do I like it? Not really. We're flatlining, at least no longer upsloping consolidation, but flatlining, rejecting, right, at 236. So again, if we do move down, we're trying to get above the 20, but if we do move down, we're very likely looking at 3,324, right? Right. Oh, thanks, man. That's awesome. We are neutral at 52.91. Let's go here to the 4-hour chart. So again, a hidden divergence, getting that pop, going for at 382. Look at that. We're hitting it once, we're hitting it twice. Where did we go on this closing? Right, look at this. We came back down to at 236, right? Look, that 236, it's helping us hold here a little bit. For some reason, it's not auto-adjusting on the heights. But again, closing right at that 236, opening slightly below it, and then trying to move up. That is good. We still have about an hour and 38 minutes to go. I was a little bit worried because we're struggling to go higher, but it's doing okay, right? It's not the end of the world. Anything here is high point to a low point, high to low, and high to low. There's really not a lot here going on. Again, it's just a little bit of a boring day, but those boring days, dude, have me Like I'm sitting here and I'm like, I wish the market moves. I wish the market moves. I just hope it doesn't crash, right? Look at Ethereum. We could say that we kind of went sideways here. Yeah, we went sideways. And we're coming lower, so we created some medium bearish divergence, right? And with that, the potential function downside, we're moving down, man. Are we doing anything bullish? Not sure, man. I'm gonna have to check. Here. We might have something bullish here. More negative momentum on the 1 hour. Yeah, it's on the 1 hour. Then we're going from a low point to a high point, right? Look at that. Anyways, strong bearish divergence with that, the possibility for not strong hidden bullish divergence with that, the possibility for action to upside. We're getting that rally. We're trying to get above that 20, and right now we're coming back down to retest it, man. Back testing the 20, it's okay so long as we stay above it. Reversing it, it's not gonna be good. What's a what? I'm not sure what a tracer is. That is an interesting concept. What is a tracer, man? Yeah, BringFax is correct. If you're here and you're a huddler of something, you're early, man. So let's go and check. I guess what he means by tracer is like send a small test out first, maybe. Like send a small amount first, so you know it arrives, and then just send the full rest of the monies. Let's go to Binance. Dudes, Binance, $434. Man, has it dropped from that $500 status? What? Yes, now it's trying to hidden bullish divergence, trying to pop, getting above that 382, and nothing bad. Neutral at 47.33. Not a lot going on. 4-hour chart. Hidden bearish divergence. Yay, potential for a rejection of that 20. We're trying to get above the 20 moving average again. Hidden bearish. Gonna put pressure on the price, right? We might be going for a moving down. Just be careful, guys. Be careful. I love neutral at 47.23. Let's go to that 1-hour chart then. That's fine, dude. People can unlike or dislike. It's all good. I don't do this for the likes. I do this because I like doing this. I will do this because it's fun to be here. So people can dislike if they want. Anyways, we're bought at 63.63. We have strong bearish divergence, and with that, the possibility for action downside again. Could be going for that 236, sorry, that 382 for support before we try to bounce back up again. We'll see how this is going to be handled again. Starting to get a lot of bearish divergence built with significant moves. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands building up on a lot of the projects, right? Let's go to Shiv, because Shiv, it's interesting today. Shiv has a good opportunity to do some where's Shiv here? Alright, so here's Shiv. I'm not sure if Shiv's now open on Coinbase Pro. I have been trying to get a wallet address, right? I just can't. You go there, you click, let me see, I think this hides everything. So you go there, you click Shiv, and it just shows this, right? Deposit Shiv, and it doesn't show anything. So it kind of sucks, though. I don't have any balance on my Coinbase Pro. I usually just have it on Coinbase or Bitso or some other places. So I was trying to like use Coinbase Pro for the first time. I never trade there. That's why I don't have any money there. But there's a huge opportunity for arbitrage. What do I mean by that? Look at the price of Shiv here. It's 0.5 zeros and then 740, right? So it's like a fraction of a fraction, like 5 decimals after the dot, right? It's 5 zeros. But if we go to here to Shiv on the dollar on Coinbase, it's only 4 zeros and then a 5, right? So you get that? So it's like almost a lot of times, like what is it, like 6 times more? Greg, what's up, man? So Jorge approaches me and he says, "Yo, there's a price difference on SHIB. Why is that happening?" And I said, "I don't know, man. I'll have to check it out." I was in the middle of work, so I was like, "Oh crap, man." And then as soon as I got a small break, I sat down and I looked at it and I was like, interesting. There is a gap. It's not a small gap. It's a huge gap, right? It's not a metering of the numbers or anything. It's like, you can probably buy SHIB. You can buy SHIB here on Poloniex or Coinbase or whatever. Not Coinbase, Poloniex or KuCoin or Binance, wherever they sell it at 0.00007. You can go to SHIB on Coinbase and sell it for 0.00005. So I did that. I went and bought SHIB at, or is it just like, I was like trying to buy $100, or I was gonna buy $200, something like that. Or is it buy 100? So yeah, sure, man. I'll toss 100, right? It's not a big deal because I didn't know how long the transaction was gonna take. I asked her, dude, how long does that transaction take for SHIB? I was like, I don't know. So I was like, okay, so I'll test it out, man. So I bought 100 of SHIB on KuCoin, and I was trying to send it to Coinbase, but they're not generating addresses. So I go and check their Twitter. And then I'm like, interesting. Why can I not send here anything? So I go here and it says right here, we discovered an issue with SHIB. Sends and receives on Pro. We're temporarily disabling sends and receives for SHIB to fix this. You can still trade SHIB. It says our SHIB $2 order book will now enter limit-only mode. Limit orders can be placed and canceled, and matches may occur. Market orders cannot be submitted. The order book will remain in a limit-only mode for a minimum of 10 minutes. So it's a 10-minute minimum. They don't know how long it's gonna go for, I guess. Maximum they don't say. Now, what I'm looking at here is that they are creating a small bubble of crypto. Why are they creating a small bubble of crypto? Because SHIB in its entirety and everything, everywhere that gets traded, has bots that are between the different trading houses, and it's more or less keeping a balance between all trading houses, right? So it's around the same volume. Now what happens here is you have SHIB, but it's not connected to anywhere else. It's just trading within this small sphere because no money can come in, no money can go out. So you have a SHIB bubble. So the thing I'm thinking about it was a couple things. The first one is, why didn't they just halt trading? Right? You have a problem halt trading. They left it open, the price rose. If they have SHIB and they are selling on people at these prices, bro, they could be in a world of hurting because they are basically dumping on people at high prices, right? Because once the market opens up again and it's able to be freely traded between exchanges and you're able to send money to SHIB, what a lot of people are probably going to do is send money to SHIB so they can sell. Thus, they're going to crash the SHIB market. But while that happens, or while those transactions go through, we might see a lot of bots trying to balance, right, what's happening on Coinbase with what's happening on the other exchanges. So we might see the Coinbase balance come down, and then the SHIB balances on other exchanges go up to kind of like match out, at least while everything settles, and then maybe goes back to its current price. So I ended up buying $100 worth of SHIB. I usually don't like buying meme coins, but I did try to send this over, and I was like, wow, this is an awesome arbitrage opportunity. If I can play it, it's gonna be epic. Didn't happen, right? So I'm not able to send it. So SHIB's up next. That's what we're gonna look at, and we're not gonna look at it here. It did pump quite a bit on Coinbase, right? By the way, look at this. It did open around current value, which is even a little bit higher, but it opened here at 5 zeros and then 587 and moved up. So here, there's really nothing that we're gonna be able to look at on Coinbase because it's just higher. So we're gonna have to come here. And what we have going on here is on the daily, where we had that bullish divergence and we're pumping, right? We knew the news of the listing, so we were expecting a rally to happen days prior. So that's what we're getting. Again, neutral at 52.15. Not a lot happening afterwards. So let's go to the 4 hour. So here, again, bullish divergence strong. We pumped. Then we came back down, back for support and pumped more. So we are coming higher every time, right? There was some hidden divergence at some point in time that built. And that's why we got this small drop. Again, on support and pump because there was a lot of speculation as to what was going to happen with the price of SHIB once it went live on Coinbase. So with that, right, we have this move here. Again, hidden bearish. We even had it to here. We're going low to high. And now we're moving down, right? And you can even say it from here, right? It's still there. So even from back here, from back there, still there. So hidden bearish, moving down, finding support, pumping. Now we are consolidating in this zone right now, slightly upsloping, not the strongest area to hold. Now we do want to move from here. Neutral at 57.50, and I think part of the reason that we're holding is because there's speculation as to what's going to happen once Coinbase releases this, right? So short term, there is strong bearish divergence here. Look at this, we're going higher, right? Here we go. And we are coming lower here, right? Look at this. And we're also coming lower here. So strong bearish divergence that would tell us that we're looking for action to the upside. Thus, we're moving down for that 20. We did drop, but we haven't dropped a lot. Now, we do need to get higher than this previous high to negate that divergence. And what that's going to do is we're going to probably start creating more positive momentum. And we might create more bearish divergence now from this high to the new high, and from this point positive to less positive and high to low. We're bought at 61 on the RSI, so waiting for it to do something. But right now, the thing is, even if we have bearish divergence, the fact that it's so high on Coinbase, and once that lock opens up and people are able to send funds there and sell, dude, people are going to be making a killing. They're going to be dumping the market on Coinbase, which I feel sorry for the guys that are buying at 0.0005. So we can expect the price probably to go down. But meanwhile, the price on other exchanges should be going up. So we'll see. XTC's linked the pack tonight. We're going to check it in a second. I think it was on the list. Right, let me go here through the comments real quick. Right. Does anyone research flash loans? I haven't. No collateral, no risk, no KYC. Millions that can be borrowed. Arbitrage is supposed to be. Where's that at, Andrew? Drew Duran, what's up, my friend? Yeah, it takes them a couple days to list them, or months, or weeks. It's not cheating. It's arbitrage happens even in regular markets, regular currency markets. Yeah. Right. So that's it for Shiv, dude. Because we do have the thing that got listed on Coinbase. We just haven't seen that pump. We also haven't seen the dump that usually comes accompanied by the fact that we see, coins being listed. So it's probably because we haven't seen the volume hit Coinbase in mass. See video, tweet, trying to dump Bitcoin. No, I didn't. Right. So let's go to Shiv. So that's Shiv. Let's go to ADA. ADA 1.54 at $2.55. Look at that. We're getting above a resistance line. Great. Remember we had that hidden divergence yesterday? We were calling for a potential move up, maybe try to get above that zone. We did. Great. So we're above there. We actually opened almost spot on. Opened at $2.51.7. We have this at $2.51.2. So almost spot on. So opening there. $2.51.2. Yeah. We're trying to go back up. So we need to get back into this area of support resistance, right? Not a lot happening since, again, it's just kind of boring after moving down. We're consolidating. Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. Getting that pump, hitting the 20, rejecting, finally breaking through. We started to get some pressure here between that 20 and the support line at 2.51. So we have something else going on here. No, high to low, and high to low. Neutral at 47.18. Again, really, it's not the most exciting day for crypto. It's been like a freaking nerve wreck. Trying to see it pump and failing here consistently is not good. 0.005, 0.009. All right, so slightly more. Hit bullish divergence. So look here, we have hidden bullish divergence with that possibility for action to the upside. We're getting that small pump. We're getting above that 20 moving average right now. Trying to get back below. Is that good? Not necessarily. There was nothing bearish here, right? We went higher, more positive, higher still. So divergence here, pop. Hit the 20, pop more, coming back down again. Support, hidden bullish, trying to rally. We're just getting some test or some pullback, and that's normal right now. I would not be worried about this pullback so long as we stay above $2.51. Sol daily close looked ugly. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't think Sol's on the list, but we should look at Sol. I'll put it after XTZ, and not because of your request or anything, but it is a project that I was looking at earlier today. I'm gonna go check it, see how Sol's doing. Now we're gonna go look at Sol, not Solana, but Ghost Market. I think this is just trades against the corn. All right, this is rally. All right. So we move down, Bibs. All good. Try and get above that 786, which is fine. Nothing wrong with that. Load, everything's going higher, so there's nothing bearish. Ever bought it's in 1.39. Look at that. It pumped 23% yesterday, and it's pumping 5.99% right now. Where's April? I know I got some of this for my birthday. Thanks to you guys for hooking me up with this Soul. I think it was Jake, and so we're about the same levels that I got it at. That's pretty awesome. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, going higher, higher and higher. There is bearish divergence here happening on the RSI. I was going to dismiss it quickly, but upon a second look at the tag, right? Like, and then you finally figure out there's something there you missed. So I was like, oh, look at that, strong bearish divergence. We did create hidden bullish for that rally, right? Hidden bullish divergence, here we go. That's it. Hidden bullish pumping, strong bearish, potential fraction to downside. Just watch out. I'm not gonna say it's gonna crash. It's bullish, it's pumping. Just be careful in case it does start to move down. So you get how many 4 zeros? All right, so 1,167 sats, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. What's the 1 hour chart? We're going higher, coming lower. All right, here we're also. I'm gonna have to spin here. Nothing against the MACD, against the RSI though. Strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. And we are bought it's in 1.18. That's about it though. And potential fraction to downside, right? There we go. NFT plus government smart contracts. Right. By the way, do you guys see Mike Tyson tweet? He tweeted Ethereum or Solana. I thought that was interesting. And also, there's this thing from Janet Yellen saying, U.S. on track to default on national debt in October. Ain't that awesome? We're going to default on national debt. Economy's not great, guys. It's just like, a circus that's going around right now. So that is that. And I don't have the Mike Tyson tweet. But Mike Tyson did tweet. He was like, yeah, man. Yeah, are we going to buy Bitcoin Ethereum, man? Sorry, Solana or Ethereum, man? I can't do Mike Tyson voice for that. You're gonna shut down for a few days? Don't know, man. Right. The list is closed, but we'll see how we're doing by the time we get to VT. I do get a log here in a couple minutes. I gotta get moving, guys. Enough chit chat. Let's go to Algorand. I'm gonna have to go Algorand, XTZ, Sol, and then we'll see if we have a chance to do VT before 10. I'm supposed to have a call at 10. So let's go to Algo. Algorand. Where's Algo? Here we go. Algo at $2.19. $2.19. What do we have here? Pumping a lot, dude. A lot of pumps. Now we're starting to come back down. Why are we coming back down, man? It's crazy. It's a lie. It's a scam. It isn't. The reason we're coming down is because we just went up too high too fast. We got to get some pullback. Got to cool off a little bit. Really high on that RSI. Look at that, 82.57. Still overbought at 77.42, but there's nothing here to go on the technicals. So let's go to the 4 hour. Short term, very short term here. Strong bearish divergence. And that is against the That's against the RSI, right? That's what I'm looking at right now. I bought it at 7.62. Again, potential fraction downside with that strong bearish divergence. Now, where are we going to go? For our chart, it's looking like the 20 moving average and below there, 100% retrace, right? So I'll just be the targets at 20 moving average at $1.74 right now. Right. So, our chart, higher, coming lower, strong bearish divergence. Low to high negative, more negative, hidden bullish now. Great, what are we gonna do? We could be looking for a retrace, right? Going for that 20, which we're doing right now. Now, if we get above the 20, we could be trying to go higher. So we need to get higher than this previous high here at $2.40 for us to continue on an uptrend. Otherwise, we'll be looking for some consolidation to start developing at this zone. Again, not too bad for Algorand. Is doing really, really good. All things considered, and how crypto market has been going, I would tell you it's doing all-time high. It did all-time highs yesterday, right? So not bad. Let's check Tezos. Tezos at 6.14. Low to high, high to low, right? Bearish divergence. Strong. Is it the best way to trade the divergence? Not necessarily. We do want to anchor it to a positive momentum island, which we're not right now. We're going from positive to negative. But it's what we have. Strong bearish right now. Against the MACD and the RSI. Bought at 63.97. Let's go to the 4 hour. So low to high, low to high, high. Negative, more negative, lower, lower. There's really nothing happening here. We're bought at 72.35. Just pumping a lot lately. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Going higher, more positive, and higher still. There's nothing bearish here, man. It can still go higher. I retrace to this zone, retesting $5.88, whatever that fib extension is right now. I think it's at 236. Would not necessarily be bad, right? Not necessarily bad. Let's do Solana. Sol to the dollar on the daily. Right, it's going higher. Look at Solana, man. It just kept on pumping. Yesterday it did pull back quite a bit. It's fine. We were looking for some kind of pullback. The bearish divergence we had to here, we no longer had it to here, right? So there we kind of lost it. We kind of talked about this the other day, I think. It's extremely bullish, right? So bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. We've discussed that. Look at this, came back down, hit that zone, that 4618, right? We're overextended now. There's no more fib extensions to the upside. So I'm gonna have to figure out a new way to anchor this. We're bought at 87.64, full on price discovery mode, by the way. Right, low to high, high to low, right? Right, I'll go back and check Bitcoin in a second then. That's what we're gonna close with. So we might have a chance of squeezing VT, man. There we go. Neutral at 58.94. Let's squeeze in here VT real quick. And let's keep rolling. The 1 hour. Again, moving down, went to the 20. Nothing bullish right now. Went for it to bounce maybe at that 20. But let's go here. Okay, so low to high. Bearish divergence against the RSI, right? Look at this strong bearish divergence. It moves us down. Down, it moves us into the abyss. By the way, guys, if you are here and you're liking the stream, make sure you hit the like, make sure you hit the bell, and hit the sub. Again, we're building one of the most amazing crypto communities out there, and it's because you guys are here. Because you guys like, because you subscribe, you hit bells, and you're here at night. That's awesome. Where you're not here, It'll be a very, very boring and lonesome channel. I'll probably be poking my eyes out. It was just boring channel, but it's not, because you guys are here and you make it amazing with your chats, with your questions, with your comments, with, you know, talking to Discord. It's amazing, the community that we have. Bouncing, going for the 20. Rejection of that zone. We do want to get above that 20 though, right? Solana, target to be the 20 after that. Going to get higher than $212. Let's go check a VT real quick. Go back to the corn, and we're going to be ending the stream short today. Right, so VT at 12 cents. Let's go on the daily. Again, bullish divergence trying to pop. All right, so we did go for that 50% retracing the 20. We're rejected, so we're trying to go for it again. Awesome. Neutral 50.15, still pointing up, so we're still looking for action to the upside. 4 hour. Bearish divergence breaking us down. Bullish divergence here, at least in the 1 hour. This bullish divergence trying to get us to pop, not here. So I forgot to anchor yesterday. Then we had some kind of bearishness that stagnated us for a bit, and now we're trying to rally. We're hitting that 20, which is fine. Just we need to get above it and get above that 50% retrace, right? Neutral at 46.24, getting that cross of the MACD over the signal line. So let's go here on the 1 hour. And let's anchor this things first. So let's see what we had. We had the bullish divergence. Right, that bullishness got us to pump a bit. Right, so here we go. Right. Now they sit in bearish, did bring us down, hit that 20. Right, we were live here, hitting that 20. We held, pumped. Great, that switched. Right, we went here, and now that anchor there. We had strong bearish, so we moved down on that. And did we create some hidden divergence here? What is this? 0035834. So slightly less as we're going higher and higher. So nothing bullish, right? We're just up level consolidation slowly. Not really anything crazy there. So let's go to corn real quick. Z corn. Bitcoin at 0.72, man. So we know the MACD on the 1 hour. Yeah, sure, man. This is from this might be from the 5 minute. Yep. When we went there to mess around. There we go. Anyways, bearishness, MACD, tiny negative momentum. Yeah, I agree. Tiny negative momentum is not the best. At least some hidden divergence would have been good. It's not bad though, right? We are trying to pump, but you know, we do want to get something going on here. Right, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. I gotta get going. My mind's already thinking about the presentation I gotta do. So thank you guys for joining me tonight. Again, if you like the content, make sure you hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. They're pinned at the top of the chat on YouTube. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade bets on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. On that note, guys, I will catch you tomorrow. I'll let you know if I'm able to send my trade over to Coinbase. I'm probably going to be hunting that, see if I can get it to go through. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. Thank you guys for joining again. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another edition of Instead of Crypto. Friday. It's Drink SMTA, right? So thank you for joining me. I'll be here tomorrow again. Until then.